The best slow cooker tapioca pudding is delicious and super easy to make. It is also best topped with strawberries for a naturally sweet and fruity flavor. Into a slow cooker, add the granulated sugar, whole milk, eggs, and pearl tapioca. Cook under low heat for 6 hours, stirring once per hour. Then, add in the vanilla extract, turn off the heat, and start to incorporate. Serve with strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries drizzled with caramel syrup. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.